Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm Kapil Arora and you're watching 21.1 Running Mistakes. And today I'll be talking about one of the most popular topics on internet. Now, whether you're a sports person or not, you will still relate to it. Yes, I'm talking about hydration and 3 common mistakes that everyone makes. So let's begin without any further ado. As runners, we have all been there. Now there are many questions about hydration that plague us. How much to drink? When to drink? Will I need to visit the loo very often if I drink too much? Is water good enough or do I need sports drink? How often should I consume them? Now let's figure out all these things in this episode. 3 common hydration mistakes. First, you wait till you feel the real urge to drink. Now, one of the simplest way to finding out whether you are properly hydrated or not is by taking a urine test. Now, your urine should be pale yellow and not a very dark yellow. If it is dark yellow, means that you are dehydrated. And if it is absolutely white, means that you have too much fluid in your body. Now, many experts recommend that you ought to start hydrating yourself adequately at least 2 days before the race, whether it's a full marathon or a half marathon. Now this becomes extremely critical if you are running a full marathon. And if you think it's okay to drink half a liter of extra water on the race day, well, it may not be enough. You will find yourself taking too many breaks during the actual race. No race day hydration plan. Now every runner's water intake is different. It largely depends on your sweat rate too. Well, the next time you are out on a run, try this out. Weigh yourself before and after the run and find out what is your sweat rate. And you must ensure that you are not overhydrated also. Well, one of the most beautiful races I ran was Comrades Ultra Marathon. It's a 90-kilometer race between the city of Durban and Pietermaritzburg in South Africa. Now this was in 2015. Now that particular year was my first Comrades, after which I went on to run every year for next 3 years. Now during this entire route of 90 kilometers, the hydration drink and water is provided in pouches. Now these pouches contain 200 ml of water only. Why? Because look, it's very easy to overdrink in these kind of long races. Still, since you drink water in measured quantities, somehow this prevents you from overdrinking. And remember, overdrinking can be a severe problem. Third one, drinking too much water. Now, drinking too much water can lead to life-threatening issues. Hyponatremia can happen in a situation when, because of excess fluid and sweat, the sodium levels in the body falls too low without getting replaced. Now, symptoms of overhydrating include weight gain, nausea, confusion, vomiting and headache during the race. Also, you must be aware that consuming more sports drink may not be a good idea either. Also, 95% of all sports drinks are basically water. Now, even though they contain salt, basically what is happening that there is excess of water which you are gulping. So, this is today's episode. I hope you enjoyed the show. Now remember 3 things. First, check your urine to get to know are you hydrated properly or not. Second, intake the required amount of water. And third, don't overdrink. I'll be back with another episode of 21.1 Running Mistakes next week.